All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the lake. We got the red hydro right over here, ready to go. Got her all taped up, running a 3S pack with a 1414 ABC 3-blade. You got the GPS tracking, and I'm shaking the GPS like it means something. I don't know if you can see that screen glare, but she's tracking. She's tracking. All right, trying to beat 53. It's been a while. It's been windy. Haven't had a chance to, but we're going to try to do that right now. So we'll throw her in the water. We'll move these birds a little bit, and we'll see if we can't hit 53. All right, here we go. Don't be nervous. Technically, it should go more than 53 with this prop setup. I ran it the other day real quick, and she wanted to fly off, take off. All right, here we go. Oh, change the ID, change the ID. There we go. All right, guys, wish us luck. Wish us luck. Let's see if we can't do that. Push the battery as far forward as possible. Turn down. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get these birds out of the way. Water cooling. There we go, guys. And take this turn. Oh, we flipped her. That was not clean. Almost. Should have gotten off the throttle. I'm not taking the turn, Coby. What's wrong with me? Let's try that again. Oh, rescue boat. There we go. Oh, I hit the wall.
Well, at this point, any normal person would probably bring her in and check her out to see if something's broken or something's wrong considering that hit. But nope, that's not what I did.
Oh, I flipped her. I flipped her. I think I caught that good dude's fishing line. Alright, let's see if we can't get her back real quick. Check that GPS. Oh, she just sunk. Holy shit, she just sunk. What the fuck? Oh! Welcome back. Welcome back to the garage, everyone. Welcome back. So, as you saw, I sunk the red hydroplane. All my fault. I hit the wall, number one. Number two, I didn't bring her back in to assess the damage, and I just kept running around in circles like a fucking idiot. And she ended up sinking. Yeah. I lost the GPS, I lost the prop, and I lost the Castle Sidewinder ESC with the water cooling mod that I had in it. Other than that, everything else is replaceable. I mean, it's all replaceable, really. Whatever. So, I have a couple options. What I could do is I can build this one out. I have this one ready to go right here as stock. Now stock, she runs about 35 miles an hour out of the box. You can prop her up a little bit, maybe gain a couple miles out of her. Either way, I was running a 2958 rocket compared to the 2835 that's in it. So that's a big difference. And I was also running the Castle Sidewinder, which sat just as big as this ESC, maybe a little taller, but it worked very well. I do have two more Sidewinders, but I don't have cooling plates to do that mod, but I do have a Fly Color 90 that I modded the same type of way. I took the original cooling plate off of it because it only had two cooling pipes really going along the sides, and then I took this cooling plate which has the cooling channels further in, so the heat should dissipate more in the middle, towards the middle. Anyways, to put this in here, this will fit, but it won't fit with this. It might not fit with this motor, and I don't know if I want to go that whole route and start tearing this hull apart like I did the other one, hitting walls and trying to break records with it. So what I could do is I could actually, where is that? Yep. I could build out another red one. And I think that's what we're going to do. Should be fun. We'll throw that in her. We'll throw that in her. And we'll try to break 53 again with the red twin. All right, so I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.